Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Din and as you can see we are really busy here trying to get everything ready before we start cooking our curries. I've already now finished my 6th episode showing how to cook the base gravy, as you can see here. This method of cooking base probably doesn't exist anymore because chefs nowadays want to cook everything quick and therefore losing that flavour. I'm also adding stock to the gravy because it's very important the gravy is full of flavour, because this is your main ingredient, and then we're going to just put everything together, which I will show you when we start to cook our individual curries. Now I have a lot of curries to show you how to cook, so watch all the videos and also watch it right through. Please don't skip it because you miss what I'm doing. I'm going to basically show you in the video how to cook it in real time. You should have it all ready like this, and then we'll be able to start, and you'll have to watch, learn and listen basically, and that way you learn how to cook bendi bhaji here. We've got Bombay potato, we've got mushroom bhaji, we have sagalu and brinjal bhaji, and meat du piazza, and masala of course. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you, so let's get cooking. Okay, we're ready for meat bhuna. So again, we put a little bit of oil. We'll put a bit of green pepper. Whoops, let's use our hands. A little bit of garlic just to freshen everything up. We'll put our meat. Let's put one more piece. So put that in. Okay, we put some bhuna onions. Some methi, because meat bhuna has quite a lot of methi in it. Some tomato. Mixed spice. Give that a good stir. Bhuna is very similar to like the bhajis.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah, with your tomatoes and your kind of, the level of ingredients.
Yeah. Okay, let that cook out now. I'll put a bit of chilli in there. So we've got just a jalfrezi to do now, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. This burner is much better, much quicker.
Yeah, you can see it's really giving out the heat, isn't it?
Yeah, much quicker. I do one more dish jalfrezi and then we eat.
Oh, wonderful.
Bhuna is one of my favourite.
Yeah.
Because it's you can't go wrong.
And it's one of your faves, yeah? Why just the taste?
Because it's more traditional.
Yeah, traditional, yeah.
That's why.
You don't like all the sweet things.
No, no. Like with this one, with paratha, what you have.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
With,
I can imagine.
just break it and pick a piece up. I think in Thailand and that they have roti, don't they? Roti.
Yes, the roti, yes,
Yeah.
yes, that's correct, yeah.
They're all from India subcontinent.
Yeah,
roti.
yeah.
The-
You can actually see it in Malaysian food.
Yeah.
The influence of,
Yeah.
of Indian cuisine.
Well, Malaysian food is Indian, Chinese,
Yeah.
a little bit of Thai, I think, mixed in there.
Yeah, yeah, very,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, like, it's so interesting because you can see a lot of the lassi type yogurt drinks on the
Yeah.
sides and the rotis
Yeah.
and the...
Okay, same again, we're ready to serve. So let's move it to one side and get rid of that oil, because we don't want oil. See, you can see it's really going down. If you tilt it just gently, just tilt it. Okay, see all the oil?
Yeah,
That's a lot of oil there.
it is.
And if you don't take that out, that'd be swimming in it. Okay.